This
free
conference will
to
now be
ask
recorded.
questions. Please, your Honorable Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, fold his hands to the whole public, request to follow the COVID protocol, but none of us care. Same way when I am requesting, if you have a question, doubts, please do not hesitate to ask. Remember that you are not here for what I'm teaching, you're here for what you're learning. There's a good scope. As a trainer, I assured you 10 interview calls. Once again, I'm repeating every time this. Out of the 10, if you're not able to crack one, then there is only two scenarios. Either you are a waste fellow or I am a waste fellow. Anyone? Yes or no? There is no other third scenario. You can't blame anyone third person. Either you have to blame me, that idiot didn't taught us anything, or you have to blame yourself. I didn't learn and practice well. Two scenarios. You choose where do you want to be. Don't care about others. If you're not able to understand, please do let me know. Clear, everyone? Yes?
Yeah.
Perfectly fine.
Rupam,
Okay.
excuse me.
Yeah, go ahead.
So yesterday you told us like you can create only 2 users, right?
Correct. Currently,
So
in the
when
license or currently the environment that we have, we can have
we can
maximum 2 core license called Salesforce.
okay. So if
But
I
in the
select any
real time
other profile,
environment,
but still I can add it.
sorry?
For example, in like other than even the other than the Salesforce, if I use the Salesforce platform, because for the third user when I
No, in
try to
that you
select
don't have the profiles. Profiles are dependent on license. Today we will talk about it. Everything will be completely clear today, so don't worry about it. Right? Okay, let's go ahead and start.
okay, no worries. That's all. That was my doubt. Yeah.
Sure, definitely. So, quick recap. Yesterday we started the first class of admin. That is your first core class. Today you're on the second day. In the first day, we learned how to go ahead and grant access to a user in a real-time environment. If you are a support personnel, if you are a support guy, right, and you are supporting a project and you get a trouble ticket, TT, also called as incidents. If you get INC number or TT number, to grant someone access, somebody resigned, how to remove him, right? Somebody did something wrong, you want to temporarily hold that account, how to freeze it. All these things we have seen yesterday, right? Today, the second thing that we are going to start quickly would be how to add multiple users. By default, I'm in the admin screen. I click on user, right? And we have an option called as add multiple users, right? Whenever you want to add 3 people, 4 people, 5, 10, 15, we can, rather than adding one by one, what you can do, expand users, click on users, right? First log off, right? So I log into my Salesforce, login.salesforce.com, right? My username is Rupam @of109.com, password CRM1234#. I logged into my Salesforce, right? I'm logging into my Salesforce. To add multiple users, you will go down to administration, expand users, click on users, right? You have an option there called as add multiple user. Here, add multiple user. Once again, user, you have this button called as add multiple users. Is it clear on the screen? Right? add multiple user, right? System shows me the licenses available. If you remember, yesterday I told you, right? After that, look for Salesforce platform user, right? Then what else? Force.com, it's there, free user too, right? Now, you can see that there are certain licenses like Chatter. How many are there? 4,999. Chatter is only meant for chatting, right? You can chat with someone else like Yahoo Chat, Google Chat, once upon a time, a chat software. Here also we have a Chatter. So everybody in the organization can be part of a Chatter group so that every employee can chat to each other. Even though he should be there in Salesforce, shouldn't be there in Salesforce, they can chat. Hence, that is completely free license. You don't need to pay anything. Any type of org announcement is done in a place called as Chatter. Any type of organization announcement. Where is the Chatter? I click on White App Launcher, click on View All, go to any module. Whether you go to Sales module, the first thing that you're going to see is called Chatter, right? Home, right? Okay, it's not visible, right? Or click on View All, scroll down, look for Chatter, right? Chatter, Chatter, Chatter. Here's that. I click on Chatter. What is this? This is nothing but a social networking within your company employees. The way you post, right? I'll post something. Hi guys, right? I am learning SFTC. I'm learning Salesforce. I can make it bold, italics. I can choose for some, right? Any type of attachment you want to go ahead. You want to add an image, a good morning image. You can see upload it, right? I want to add an image. So you can upload anything, whatever you want, right? So there we go. Let me put my pic only. Uploading. You can upload an image and you can click on share. Done, right? People can like the way in the Facebook you like. Who can like? Only this company users. If you remember the
without
first
authorization.
class, I told you that there's a red boundary. Whatever the environment you created, you cannot put a like here. Only Sachin can like, Rahul Dravid can like, right? No, Saif Ali Khan is a customer. He cannot like. Saif Ali Khan is my customer. No, right? Now, let's log in. With whom? So, Chrome, no, Firefox. We will log in with Sachin. I post, Sachin can see. Sachin post, I can see. Within this company, only employees can chat. It's not like a Facebook that public can see. I will post, you all will see. You will comment on it. I will say good. No. Within the organization, right? So I go to login.salesforce.com. Let us log in with Sachin, SACHIN Sachin at the rate of109.com. Password INDIA1234 hash. I'm logging in with Sachin now, right? Whatever post I made, Sachin can see that. So let's log in. I'm in a different window, right? Same way, you can see that I'm logged in as what? Sachin Tendulkar, right? So I click on my name, app manager, click on view all, scroll down, I click on chatter, right? Post 1 minute ago. Sachin can click on like. When I come to my screen, Rupam, right? Okay, anyhow, I was in commenting stage. So you can see that how many employees commented on your pics. See, you and Sachin Tendulkar like. Two users. Site senior consultant cardiology, some department. Clear everyone? But this is not the place where you'll put your pics in real time, right? These are not for your, impressing girls there to put a pic there. These are meant for organizational announcements, right? Your director will announce this quarter total revenue is this. Every employee will be shared the information rather than sending email about company org. You can start using chatter here. Clear now what I'm saying? Yes or no? Everyone? That's good. Now, back. Setup, setup, right? Let me close the tabs. Setup. I click on setup. I close the first tab. So what we do, whenever you want to add a user, right? User, right? And add multiple users. There I can add you all only for chatting. Then you can see my pics, you can put a comment, you can post something, I can see, but you would not be able to see app manager, right? You'll not be able to see the sales cloud, service cloud, marketing cloud, opportunity. These all will not be there. Only home and chatter. That's it. Two options will be there. Clear everyone? Add multiple users. Now we will select a license. For example, I'm selecting this license called as free user. How many users I can add? 2. So that you get a 2 option to add. Here, the disadvantage is that you cannot choose username. Whatever the email you give, that will become the username. When you add a user individually, we can choose the username. Sachin @OF109. I was choosing. Even though both Sachin and Rupam is diverted to same email address called rupam.sfdc80. Clear everyone? Here, you cannot choose the username. Suppose I select chatter free. How many I can add? 4,999, approximately 5,000 users I can add. You can see that first user, second user, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10. Last is the 10th user. After 10 user, you have, right, add more. Here, the only problem is that what? You cannot choose a username. For example, I'm creating a user, right? What is that? Saurav, Dr. Saurav Ganguly. All the cricket players are our user guys, by the way. Saurav Ganguly. Username. Here the username is nothing but email address. If I select rupam.sfdc80@gmail.com, for the next user, can I select the same? No. That means I need to have unique email address to create a user when I come to multiple users. When I add now profile, force.com, here you don't see your profiles. Here I don't see what? Administrator, read only. Profiles are license dependent because administrator and free read only belongs to a license called as Salesforce. They don't belong to a license called as force.com. Hence, you don't see those here. Clear? Everyone understood how to add a user? Right. Now, next. Yesterday by the exercise, you realized that the complete accessibility of the Salesforce is controlled by an object called as profile. Profile. Write down a heading called as profile. Write down a heading called as profile. Salesforce object. Salesforce object controlling. Salesforce object controlling. Salesforce object controlling access and privileges. Salesforce object controlling access and privileges are called profile. Salesforce object controlling access and privileges are called profile. Are called profile. Next line, write down the points. Properties or characteristics of profile. Number one, by default, there are 37 profile available in Salesforce. First point, there is nothing on the screen, so don't look anywhere. You, your book, your face, your pen. That's it. Right? Properties or characteristics of a profile. Number one, by default, 37 profiles are available. How many are available? Out of that, we know only two. System administrator, read only. That means 35 we still don't know. By default, 37 profiles are available. First point. Second point, profile are license dependent. Profile are license dependent. Profile are license dependent. Right? Next point. One user can be assigned with one profile only. One user can be assigned with one profile only. One user can be assigned with one profile only. Whereas one profile, one user can be assigned to one profile only, whereas one profile can be assigned to multiple users. Whereas one profile can be assigned to multiple users. Clear? Next, profile cannot be created but can be copied. Profiles cannot be created but can be copied. Right? Now let's understand. Profile cannot be created but can be copied. So you cannot create a profile from zero. You have to copy it. Now, you know who is the highest power? Who is the lowest power? We don't know. Right? No, there could be someone low. Lowest, we don't know. But as of now, there could be something else also here. There could be some other profile called XYZ. Could be more lowest than read only. At least read only can see. At least read only can see. There could be profile which will not allow you even to see also. Agreed with me? Could be. We don't know that profile. I don't know what is that name of that XYZ. That could be some profile, right? As of now, we know highest is system admin. Lowest could be, not sure, could be read only, lowest. Now, I want a new profile. What is that? I want supervisor. I want to create a custom profile called as hospital supervisor. Let's assume that you are implementing this Salesforce for Apollo Hospital. Let's take hospital project. Is it okay? Or you want to choose any other project? This is not that project that I promised that I'll give you in the last. Toward the end of the course, you'll get 2 projects. During the classroom, we will take one more project to implement this. Which industry you want to pick? Hospital industry, airline, education, hotel. Take the industry which you know well. Don't pick up petroleum. Asal you don't even know what happens there. Hospital is okay. Let's take an easier one so that you understand everything. Later we will take, don't start your life with complex. Otherwise you'll be lost. Always start your life with your easier one whenever you're learning new things. We will take hospital. Let's assume that you are implementing or you're doing the development for whom? Apollo Hospital, right? Apollo Hospital wants a profile. Apollo Hospital wants a profile called as hospital supervisor. Now tell me, where do you think this profile will be? Where do you think this profile will be? What will be the location of this profile? Here? Equal? No. Less? Or here? Or here? Above read only. Below, somewhere here. Let's take in the middle. This profile wants a middle axis, neither too less, neither too high. So what will you do? You have two options. Either you copy, either you copy system administrator and start removing. Copy system administrator, start removing, you will reach to this position. Or else copy read only, start adding. Able to understand? There are two ways to create a profile. You have to first decide where my profile fits. Supervisor, by the word I can understand that it's a powerful. Powerful means, shall I copy read only? No. Then I have to keep on adding. Rather than doing it, we will copy administrator, remove. You will be coming to here. First we'll copy. As soon as we copy, both will be same. Slowly, I'll be removing access. Remove. Okay, done. You reached here. This is the strategy you will follow even in the real time, because you cannot create a profile in a project from zero. You have to copy a profile. Which profile to copy is a bigger question. That is the reason, keep this two as a benchmark. That is the reason there are 37 profile. Out of this, I choose administrator and read only. Why didn't I choose anything else? Because these two are industry standard profile, right? We in real time also, either we start creating from system admin going down, or copy read only going up. Suppose you want trainee, tell me where the profile should be. Trainee, right? TRAINE, trainee nurse. You want to give access to this trainee nurse. Tell me where this profile has to be. Above read only? Equal to read only? Then you don't need to create anything, because read only is already there. She's going to be trained. Certain things you don't want them to see. So maybe below read only. Possibility is there. Why she should be able, read only can see everything in the system. Do you really want to expose nurse to see everything in the hospital? No. So I will go below. Below read only. Able to understand? Some places I will not allow even to read. Why do you need opportunity? Block it. Why do you need case? Block it. Why do you need campaign? Block it. Able to understand? Yes or no, everyone? In real time, before you start creating a profile, you have to decide what is my benchmark, from where I should start, right? So if it's a trainee, try to understand what is the requirement. Based on that, choose, then I will take this. What I will do, I will copy read only, and then I will start removing from read only. So real time, it's adding or removal, whichever location you start, right? Now let's go ahead and do it practically. I click on, right, profiles. Here it is. Under user, you have profile. How many profiles are there by default? Can you see 25 of 37? So by default, there are 37 profiles available. Here you can see the number. The screen resolution is not good today, right? Here it says 1 of 37 towards the bottom. Can you see now? Right? Total 37 profiles are available by default in Salesforce. Now we want to create one. Okay, this much is good. Now I click on new profile. As I told you, you cannot create a profile from zero. You have to copy. So I want to copy from where? I want to copy from system administrator. What is my new profile name? HO, hospital supervisor. Just to let you know that this profile was created by us, I will put some number 1, 2, 3. There is no other meaning. It is just because there are 37 out of 37. There could be some profile called supervisor. Then our profile will get mixed with it. Just for your understanding, so that quickly in that list, I find our profile. I'm adding a number called 1, 2, 3. Nothing. But in real time, we don't add. Remember this. This is just for training purpose. I click on save. A new profile got created called as hospital supervisor 1, 2, 3. Now we will give this profile to a user. I click on user, right? I open Sachin Tendulkar. I click on edit. Sachin Tendulkar is now an administrator. You can see Sachin Tendulkar is an administrator. I click on it and I give my profile, which I just created, called as supervisor 1, 2, 3. At this moment, supervisor 1, 2, 3 and administrator both are same. Only name has changed. Nothing else has changed. So Sachin is still a supervisor. Being a supervisor, he has equal power as me, because we copied administrator to a supervisor. Now let us start removing the access. First thing, what we want to do, as soon as anybody with a profile called supervisor clicks on app launcher, clicks on view all, I don't want to show them all this. They should be able to see only sales and marketing. They shouldn't be able to see service, sales console, right? What else? All this, whatever you are able to see, bold solution, right? Lightning scheduler setup. No, I want to block. I want to block at an app level, at a solution level. I want to block. In real time, your project will be listed here. If it's Apollo Hospital, you will be able to see one of the block as Apollo Hospital. If it's C8 tires, you'll be able to see C8 tires, SpiceJet. Here one SpiceJet logo will come. We'll do that. We'll create it. Don't worry. I'll show you how to do this all. We will throw this all out. No account, no contact, nothing. I want put everything in the dustbin. We will create patient, diagnostic, payment, operations, doctors, right? We will create all these in Salesforce now. Complete hospital software. As soon as you log in, hospital logo will come, hospital software will come. Nothing, we will throw the CRM out of the system and we will develop as per the client requirement. Clear, everyone? Now, I don't want this solution to be accessed. What will I do? Profile. I will open the profile that we just created. What we created? Supervisor, hospital supervisor 1, 2, 3. Where it is? Here it is. Hospital supervisor 1, 2, 3. This is what we just created, right? Hospital supervisor 1, 2, 3. Here it is. I open it, right? My profile is open. Today and tomorrow, we have to complete all these. So many things are there beyond your imagination. Still going down, right? Still going down, 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 going down. All of these things we have to complete in 2 classes. That's the reason, focus, right? Oof, perfect. Let's start. I click on edit, only watching, no writing now. Practical. First, app level. What is an app? Solution. A project is called app. A solution is called app. I don't want, whichever you don't want, remove everything. See, whichever I don't want, I'm removing it. Uncheck only. So he can see sales and he should be able to see what? Marketing. We said only two. I go ahead, click save. What is this profile name? Hospital supervisor. I click on save. As soon as I click on save, immediately this has been applied. Now let us go and log in with Sachin. As soon as Sachin clicks anywhere, I'm logged in with Sachin now. Sachin clicks accounts, contacts, anywhere. As soon as he click on, app manager, see his screen now. He has only two options. Admin has removed the remaining options. In his profile, he can't access service module. Service module is removed. Able to understand how to do an app level? Check boxes. Perfect. Next, I click on edit again. I'm back to my admin screen. Admin, developer. Sachin, user. Here I'm developing the profile. That profile I have applied to Sachin and I'm checking how the output looks. Clear everyone? So development, user screen. Development is in Chrome, user testing is in Firefox, right? Perfect. Next. Okay, sales is visible, fine. Marketing is visible, fine. I don't want campaign to be visible. Campaign to be completely removed. Sachin shouldn't be able to see that there is something called campaign. So I click on it. I see campaigns and leads. Can you see this on the top? This campaign has to be permanently removed from supervisor screen. How can we do that? Right? Come here. These are all the tabs that is available. Complete list of tabs. Where is campaign? Here is the campaign. You have three choice. Tab hidden, tab off, tab on. By default on. On means visible. Off means no, visible, but you cannot do anything. Off means two things. Number one, from the main header, it will be kicked off and it will be available in all items. From the main header, it will be removed. I'll show you. Main header, it will be removed and it will be put in all items. When you click on campaign, it is only read only. You cannot delete, you cannot edit, you cannot do anything. That is called off. Off means partial visibility. Only partial, limited visibility is called off. Hidden means completely gone. Goa, gone. That means when Sachin log in, Sachin will never even understand, never even think that there is something called campaign is there. Other system campaign is visible. When he looks at his system, campaign is not there. Same software, same software. Why? So I'm making campaign as what? Hidden. I'm making lead as off. Keep watching. Right? Lead I've set to off. Lead I have set to off. Campaign I have set to, what is campaign? Right? Here it is. No, I made something hidden. Wamet. Where is campaign? Here it is. Perfect. Campaign is set to hidden. Something I set to on. Let it be. Campaign is hidden. Lead is off. Keep watching. I click on save. Sachin need not to even log off. Immediately live deployed. Next time when Sachin, I'm going to the Sachin screen now. Can you see campaign? Can you see lead? Yep. Now I refresh. You see what happens. Both campaign and lead vanished. I'm in the marketing solution, but you see, do you see campaign and lead anywhere? Gone. I click on app manager, click on view all. You can see lead. I told you lead will be removed from the top header and it will be available where? All items. but you cannot find campaign anywhere. Find, find. Oh, I see here. Refresh once again. Refresh once again. Now click on App Manager, click on View All. I shouldn't be able to see campaign anywhere now. Find campaign. Find campaign. As if campaign is not there in the system. We have completely removed. Whenever you want to completely remove one tab, we choose what? Hidden. Whenever you click on lead, lead is with a limited visibility. Lead should be with a limited visibility. Off, right? Don't worry, it will go away. This new will go away automatically. It will take little time. It takes 5 seconds to 5 minutes. Within this time range, this get deployed. So off means limited accessibility. Hidden means totally removing it from someone's login. Clear now? Yes or no? So again, I'm in the same profile. I click on edit. We have seen app level. We have seen tab level, right? Now let's scroll down, right? So like this, you can set all on, off, hidden, on, off, hidden. You can do as per your project requirement. Whatever is there in your project, they will give you create 12 profiles. These profiles should have this. Based on that, you will be configuring it. Clear? Next. For the moment, I'm ignoring these checkboxes for the moment. Scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Here. Sachin can see account. Yes. Sachin can see contact. Yes. Yes. Now we will come to the object level settings. Object level security. Right? We will control the CRUD operation. CRUD. Create, update, retrieve, delete. CRUD. We call them as CRUD operations. C for create, R for retrieve, U for update, D for delete. Can he create account? Can he update account? Can he retrieve, get the account? Can he delete the account? We can control from here. You can see that he can create. I'm removing the create. So there will be no new button. When Sachin clicks on account, there shouldn't be any new button because he shouldn't be creating it. Guys, if everybody is able to understand, we are blocking create. Sachin would not be able to create any account. Now I go to contact. Sachin should be able to create a contact, but where is the update? Here is edit. Third row is edit. Third row is edit. I say that he can't edit. That means he can create a contact as soon as he hit the save button. Thereafter, he can't make any changes. Even his record also he can't change. So till the time he doesn't click save, he can type anything. But as soon as he clicks on save, he can't change. If he make a mistake, gone. Because I have removed edit option. Able to understand? Similarly, I'll go for cases. In cases, I will say he can't delete. Case, he can edit. He can't even delete his case. We are completely blocking delete. Able to understand? Now I go ahead and I hit save button. Save. Perfect. Let's come here. Refresh. I'm in Sachin's login now. When I go to account, I shouldn't be able to see the new button. I shouldn't be able to see the new button. Right? Wait. So click on App Manager. I click on Sales. See, it was giving something, check your permission. Now I click on Account. I shouldn't be able to see the new button there. There is no new. Sachin can do anything other than creation. Can he edit? This ICICI Bank was created by Rupam, but Sachin can edit it. For 333 save. Sachin can delete it. This record was created by whom? Rupam. Sachin is not the owner. Some other user is the owner, but Sachin can delete. If you want to stop delete, then uncheck delete also. Able to understand? Now I go to contact. In contact, I should be able to create new, but I shouldn't be able to edit. Mr. Right? What is that? Kathrina. KAIF. Katrina Kaif. All Hollywood, Bollywood would be our customers, right? So 555-666. Now see that I forgot to update the mobile number. Forgot. I hit save. Oh man, mobile number మర్చిపోయాం కదా? Shit. You can't do anything now. There is no edit option. There's no edit button anywhere. This is my record. I am the owner, but still I cannot do anything because administrator has blocked the privilege of editing a record in contact table. This is a table. In a contact table, edit is blocked. Edit is blocked. Right? So we are in profile. Edit. Everybody is able to understand? Yes or no? Right? So tab. Right? Tab on, tab off. What it will do? Whenever you say hidden, completely removed. Off will be removed from the main, will be put on the all items with limited functionality. Right? Next we have seen this one. Read, create, edit, delete. Now these are two called modify all, view all. If you remove view all, Sachin cannot see others record. Whose is his. Yavardi, Vardi. Jiska, uska. Sachin creating a record, only Sachin can see. Rupam created a record, Sachin cannot see. It is in the same table. All the data is going to the account table, account master. But while retrieving, system will take only Sachin's data and will show on the screen. If you say he cannot view others, okay, he can view others, but he cannot modify others' record. Just now, ICICI Bank was created by Rupam. Sachin modified it. You want to stop it? This belongs to Rupam. Why are you modifying it? This record belongs to Dr. Saurav Ganguly. Why are you altering the data? So remove, modify all. Able to understand? Yes or no? Everybody clear? Perfect. Now, first solution, then tab. Once a tab is visible, then you're controlling whether he can create, edit. Now, I want field level security. Whenever Sachin logs in, Sachin shouldn't be able to see this field called facts. Now the fax number is visible, right? In contact, let's say account. Sachin can go ahead and open ICICI Bank, can click on details. Here also there is a fax. Fax is there, right? Yep, fax number 333. I don't want Sachin to see this field. Able to understand how slowly we are closing the things from an app level to tab level to object level to field level. I'm coming now. How to block Sachin not to access this? Shall we do it? Come to the development screen. Click save and come out of it. Don't click edit. Scroll down. I'm in hospital supervisor. Don't click edit. Scroll down. There's a field level security. Which table? Account table. Click on view. Which field? Now click on edit. You have two options there, read access, edit access. Facts. I remove read. If you remove read, then how can he edit? Obviously. You can say read is available, but he can't edit. Then what will happen? Sachin can see that phone number, but he can't change. Other than that field, he can change every other field. Except that facts field, he cannot change. Other than that field, he can change everything. Now, let us remove both. See that I have removed facts. Both are unchecked. Both are unchecked. Facts. On the top, you will see read access, edit access. Unchecked. I click on save. Now I go ahead and let's check it out. I click on account. Let me refresh. Right? Guys, able to understand? You have to do this in your project. Right? I click on edit. Sorry, I click on the ICICI Bank. I click on details. Woof. Where is the fax? Exactly below the phone, you should have a fax there. See that? Able to understand? Whatever I'm doing here in the profile, this profile is given to 10 people. All the 10 facts will be removed. We call them as field level security. So a security can be at solution level, tab level, object level, field level. Solution you can do at that, right? So write down, right? Salesforce security level. Salesforce security level. Salesforce security level. First license. First license, right? I'm doing it here. Below than that, wait. Okay. File. Let me take a new one. Don't save. Right? Salesforce security flow. First, license. Next, permission set. Next, profile. Next, now, OWD, organization wide default. Organization this is called OWD, organization wide default. After profile, delegated admin. After that, roles, groups, queue. This is the way Salesforce security flows. ఎవరికి ఏం అర్థం కాలేదు. Don't worry, I'm here to teach. No? I'm here to teach. So why do you worry about it? Right? This is how the security flows. Where are we now? We are here. See that somewhere we started. No problem. That's how in the real time also we start. Now, in this profile, now what is this? In this profile, how the flow happens. Profile security flow in profile. Security flow in profile. How it happens. Here, first, app level. app or solution, solution level. Next, tab level, tab. Next, object, object. Next, field. Finally, record, record. Here, the flow happens in this format. This is the way the things flows. Inside the profile, this is the way it's flowing. We just controlled app level, right? Forget about these. Don't think now. What are these? We'll see later. As time comes, we'll see later. Currently, focus only on this box. Your current focus should be here. We are in profile, right? 90% of your access is controlled by this. That is the reason I started with it, because that's the major one. Remaining all are minute. 90% of your Salesforce, who can do what, who cannot do what, who can print, who can send email, who cannot send emails, all these are controlled by what? Profile only. That is the reason we are focusing on profile more. Able to understand? Yes? Perfect. So what we have learned, we created a profile, we checked and unchecked the solutions, then tab on, off, hidden, then object, read, write, edit, delete, modify, view all, modify all. Field level, read, edit, only two options. Clear? Now let us go ahead and see. I go to my profile, click on back to profile. Now again I click on edit. Now let's go one by one. This is app level, done. Next, this is tab level, done. Next, there are some permissions. Right? These permissions are check means yes, uncheck means no. Only two things. Yes or no. Email. Check means can send email, uncheck means cannot send email. This is covering complete Salesforce. Obviously, you are just on the second class today. You still have 3 months left. So if you read all this, you'll not be able to understand which is what. But still, go ahead and start reading a little bit. Do you understand anything here? See, there's a manage user. If you uncheck this, Sachin would not be able to create a new user. Sachin cannot reset a password. Sachin cannot go ahead and edit a user, change his profile. He cannot do all these things. Manage user. Few we can understand. Let us see. Right. Next. Right. You can see that edit my report. Can he edit a report or not? Right. Something. Invite customer to chatter. No. Sachin cannot invite anyone to chatter. Next. Anything else which we understand, which we know? View all users. If you remove this, Sachin, go to setup. This profile will not be there. Setup. Sachin has an equal power as admin. Sachin can still come and create a new user. He can also say profile. Whenever next time Sachin comes and click profile, there will be blank. Complete blank. When you uncheck this. View all profile. No. View all users. No. He cannot see users. Able to understand, guys? Right? Next. Anything else we know? Can he activate a contract? No. Can he activate an order? No. Right? Can he manage a lead? No. Right? See? Can he send email? No, I don't want Sachin to send email, right? Can he run report? No. Can he transfer lead? No. Transfer case? No, right? Can he, there's a convert lead is there somewhere. You know lead conversion? It is, you converted a lead to an opportunity and account. See, here is unchecked. If you uncheck it, anybody with this profile, the convert button will not be there. So in real time, if somebody says, hey, I need the conversion button is not visible in my screen, you will just edit, come here, check it. Able to understand? Yes or no? All these are check boxes which you have to see one by one, right? Do it today. Just read. If you are not able to understand, leave it. Just go ahead and see these check boxes. Perfect. Getting bored? Tell me yes. If it's yes, then we'll stop. Completely your class, your choice. Right. Somebody asked me in the starting of the class from that side, what is the password validity? I told 90 days. I want to change that 90 days to 30 days. Can I do that? Yes. Scroll down. Here it is. Your default password is how many days? I change it to 30 days now. Anybody with a supervisor, hospital supervisor profile, every 30 days they have to change the password, because password valid is only for 30 days. You can choose 30, 60, 90, 180, 1 year, never expire. You cannot have 360 every 2 years. Only these choices available. So I say that every 180 days, 6 months. How many password do you want system to remember? For example, let's say that I change it to 30 days. Today, Sachin password is India1234 hash. After 30 days, Sachin has to change his password. Let's assume that he puts India12345 hash. Earlier 4 hash, now 5 hash. Again, after 30 days, system will ask to change a password. Sachin cannot use 4 hash. System is remembering 1, 2. He has to change to 6 hash. Again, after 30 days, 7 hash. Next, then he can change, system will forget 4 hash. Next time he can change it to 1234 hash. How many previous password do you want system to remember? Any password that is remembered, you cannot reuse it again. Clear now? Next, how many characters you want a password? There is nothing. You can put 4 also. In real time, right? User to user password policy will change. This is for Sachin. I can create one more profile called as trainee. Trainee password should be 15 digit. Trainee password expires in 6 months. Supervisor password expires in 30 days. In real time, it's not standard. By default, it is 90 days. But if you want, you can change it to anything that you want. Next, complexity of the password. Alphabet, numeric character, alphabet, numeric special, uppercase, lowercase number, upper, lower number, special characters. Choose from here. No restriction, right? He can put a password called as doggy, D-O-G-G-Y. 5 digit, no? Over, right? Next, how many wrong password he can enter in the system? While logging in, he forgets the password. 3, 5, 10, no limit. 10 times he enters wrong password, system will lock for 15 minutes. The way in SBI ATM cards, if you enter 3 times wrong pin for 24 hours, your account is blocked. After 24 hours again, account is unlocked. Same thing here. Lock for 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, forever. Who can activate? Only admin. By how? Reset password. Next, obscure secret answer for password reset. Whenever you want to change your password, what we do? Current password, new password, new password. Everywhere. Current password, new password, new password. When you check this, it will ask you, which city was your first job? You have to answer your secret question also. Then only you can. If you don't check this, old password, new password, okay, done. If you check it, old password, new password, which city was your first job? Hyderabad, right? Next, minimum 1 day password policy. If you change a password today, again you cannot change today. You have to wait for 24 hours if you check this. Clear? Next, do not immediately expire the forget password link. You forgot a password. You went ahead, raise a ticket. Immediately admin came and he checked that box, reset password. He clicked on reset password. Immediately you will get an email. Click here to finish resetting your password. Suppose I requested on Friday evening. I went home. Friday evening only my admin has sent me the link. Saturday is a holiday. Sunday is a holiday. Monday I didn't came to office. Tuesday also I was sleeping at home. Wednesday I came to office. If I click on that link, will that link will work? No, that will not work. Maximum is 72 hours, 3 days. Within 3 days that if you click on the link, you can reset your password. Otherwise, again you have to raise a ticket. Again, your admin has to click that reset button. A new link will be sent to you. Able to understand? If you check this, your link will be ever. I reset it. I request for a password reset on Friday. I took 10 days leave. After 10 days, I came. The link was sent 10 days back to me. If I click on it, still it will work. It will allow me to reset a password. If I check this box, do not immediately expire. Clear, everyone? Everybody is able to understand each and every option I'm going. Now, if you leave the system idle, just like this, and go and have a biryani and come back, right? I went for a lunch by keeping the system open. After 2 hours, when I come back, I'll be locked off. If you have, right, here is that 30 minutes inactivity. You're not doing anything. You opened and you're watching a YouTube. You come to Salesforce, it will log you off automatically. Here it is, inactivity. You can set it. Default is 2 hours. Now, whenever you come back, you come and see, Are, log off ayipinda? Funny, you'll enter a password. If I check it to high assurance, then it will not log you in. It will ask for a passcode, which will be sent to your email address or mobile phone. If I set it to high assurance, able to understand? If I don't set it to high assurance, after the session has been logged out, you can just enter username and password. It will log you in. Last topic for the day. There is a software available in Salesforce which will connect your Outlook to Salesforce. You know Outlook? This is Outlook. I know that most of you have not even seen it. Obviously, in real time, we don't use Gmail. We use Outlook to receive emails. Your email will come like this in Outlook. 573 emails unread. Sorry, 1748 emails unread. I didn't even touch those emails. My official emails. Don't think it is a spam emails. Right? Now, in Outlook, we have calendar. We have a calendar where all my meetings for the day will be shown. In my office, what are the meetings that I have? It can be seen here. Right? Perfect. Now, in Salesforce also, you have a calendar. Setup, view all. There's a calendar available. Where is that? If you see somewhere, stop it, okay? Calendar, here it is. I book a meeting here. This is the Salesforce. Today's date is 16th. I go ahead 5 to 5:30. I'm booking a meeting. 5:30 to 6:30. What is the meeting? SFDC demo class. Location online. I click on save. A meeting got created in my calendar in Salesforce. Suppose at 5:30 I'm not logged in. I've closed the browser. Then will I get a meeting pop up? Right? No. I want this meeting, whatever the meeting that I book here should be available in my Outlook. Whatever the meeting that I book here, new meeting, which is in Outlook, should be available in my Salesforce. Both Salesforce should talk to each other. My meetings, all these are my meetings, you can see. These meetings I want to be available in Outlook. From Outlook, it has to come to Salesforce. Anything that I book in Salesforce has to go to Outlook. Able to understand? Syncing. Because in real time, all the meetings and everything will be scheduled in Outlook. Right? Somebody has not opened Outlook. He's in Salesforce. Then how will he know that, Arey, 12 o'clock meeting undal kada? There should be one meeting at 12, no? Where to see? Ikkada Outlook lepothe Salesforce. That's the reason, no confusion. Both will start talking to each other. You can send an email from Salesforce. Yes. You can send an email from Outlook. Yes. Both can talk to each other. If you send an email from Outlook, it will be available inside Salesforce. If you send an email from Salesforce, it will be available inside Outlook. Both to talk to each other. We need a piece of software, and that piece of software, I'll show you where it is. Admin can control it from here. Setup, profile. Don't worry, I know that you getting right. Few people are breaking their head when the class will over, when this person will go out, right? Online people has FC 05 has left, because in online no restriction. No, I don't see what is happening, right? 41, right? They can leave anytime. But here in the classroom, if you walk out, I'll see. So you'll have a problem, right? So I click on hospital supervisor. I click on edit. The last option for the day is, see, 5 went, 6 came. Maybe network issue. They might got dropped. Here it is. The software is called as desktop client, right? Whenever you install the client software, Salesforce will be talking to Outlook. Outlook will be talking to Salesforce. Both will be handshaking each other. That piece of software, do you want to stop handshake? Off. That means even such an install that software, his calendar will not sync with Outlook. Outlook, Salesforce will not sync with Outlook. Outlook will not sync with Salesforce. Right? If I say off, on, no updates. You know that software keeps on getting update. This is all about update. That software will not be updated. On, update without alert. Don't even let the user know that the software is getting updated, which is against the ethics. We shouldn't be doing it. Next, on, update with alert. Show them that a new software is available. Click here to download and update your system. Next, on, must update. New version of Outlook client is available. Click OK to download. No, I don't want to download. There is nothing no, must. So these are the choices you have. In real time, we take this on with alert. Show the user that there's a new version available. You see that software comes new version available. Do you want to download? Same thing. Here it will give an alert. Perfect. We will stop here today, right? Stop here today. Everyone good? Able to understand? Yes or no? Anybody not able to understand my English? I'm speaking fast. I'm teaching slow, right? Any given time, if you feel, just anyhow, I'll be looking at you guys, right? Kallu nunchi, you can show me the signal, so I'll understand that slow. See, everybody in the classroom is not equal fast as others, right? There could be someone who understands slowly. So for them, right? If you're not able to understand, call it out. Remember this, right? You can tell me everything. Don't worry, sir. Please, slow. Sir, anta hi-fi English oddu. Slow down. Right? Clear, everyone? Any problem? Any complaints? Any issues? ఎట్లనే ఉంటే కూడా చెప్పర్లే.
Hello.
Right? Online, I'm coming there. Wait. First offline. See, if you have a problem, please call it out. Right? If you're not able to understand, everybody clear today how to create a profile, how to give a profile to a user, and how to do the testing? Yes? So today's homework is that you will create a profile and you will test the profile. Clear? That's it for today. Offline, any doubts? All good? So thank you guys. Have a nice and wonderful day. Bye-bye. Take care.
Hi, Rupam.
Okay,
One second.
online, tell
Rupam.
me.
Yeah, Rupam. Yesterday's class, I didn't attend yesterday's class. I called admin and asked me to send the drive link. They told me that, sir didn't upload the yesterday's class.
Sorry, tell me. What's the question?
No, yesterday I didn't attend the yesterday's class. I didn't attend, Rupam.